Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll find the volume of these 3D shapes. So let's start with the one on the left side. Now as you can see, this shape is a rectangular prism. Now the general formula for calculating the volume of a 3D shape is volume equals area of base times height. Now in this case, the base of this shape is a rectangle. For that rectangle, the area will be length times width. So we can rewrite this formula as the length times width times height. So which is the formula that we are taught for a rectangular prism. So you can either start straight with the formula length times width times height, or you can calculate it as area of base times height. You'll get the same answer. Now in this case, the length of the base is 115, the width is 240 units, and the height is 113. I get 3118 800, and since we are not given the unit, so it will be cubic units. So there's a very important concept we have to keep in mind, that for volume we use the cube. So this should be the final answer for the volume of this rectangular prism. So now we can analyze this other shape. Now this other shape is also a rectangular prism, but it's tilted to the side. So this shape is called an oblique rectangular prism. It's called oblique rectangular prism. Now we can start by calculating the volume the same way as we did for the regular rectangular prism. So the formula is volume equals area of base times height. Now the base here is a rectangle whose length is 6 meters and width is 11 meters. So we know that base is a rectangle and the formula for area of a rectangle is length times width, and we keep the height. Now the height here of this oblique prism is not the height along this side of this prism. So the height here is actually the vertical height, the height straight up from the base surface to the top surface. So this 14 meter represents the height of this prism, not the height along the edge of this prism. So there's a very important concept you need to understand and memorize. So now we can input the values in this formula. So the length is 6 meters times the 11 meters times the 14 meters, which is equal to 924, and the unit will be meter cube. So this should be the final answer for the volume of this oblique rectangular prism. So I hope you will find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.